Hi, welcome to another episode of Explore and For. My name is Beth, and I'm a librarian here at the Clarkston Independence District Library. I'm very excited today to share with you a new database that we're offering. This is going to be a big hit with all of the crafters, makers, and DIYers that I know we have out in our library land. All you need to do to get into Creativebug is have your library card handy. It'll ask you to type in the number, and it will also ask you for your PIN, which is the last 4 digits of your phone number. By signing up and creating an account with Creativebug, you will enjoy unlimited access to thousands of online art and craft classes. Watch the classes anytime, anywhere. Since the classes never expire, you can start and stop projects at your own pace. No pressure, just possibilities. This is the home page of Creativebug, and we'll take a quick look at it. Right up here in the top, there with this young lady, there is a video that's going to explain Creativebug to you in more detail. And all you have to do, as I move the mouse over the triangle, is just click on it, and it'll take you to the next page. And then you can just scroll down, and these are every picture is a link to a project. There's a lot here. Let's go ahead and go into the site itself, and we're going to see the latest classes. I'm going to click right here. Alrighty, now on this page, there are 2 ways to access classes. There's a toolbar at the top that will list them all, or you can browse visually through all the pretty pictures here and choose something, a subject you'd like to know more about. From the toolbar at the top, you can see there are many. I think every media is definitely covered there. Art and design, sewing, quilting, paper, knitting, etc. And here we have the kids. We didn't leave the kids out as well. Alrighty, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you in and show you a video and some more about it. I'm going to click here on sewing because that's where I know the video is that I want to show you. Alrighty, I'm going to scroll down, and it's right here. It's called How to Mend Clothing. So again, I'll hover my mouse over the triangle and click on it, and it's going to open up the video. Now I've already been in here, so it's asking me, do I want to resume or start again? I'll just say play it again. Okay, now I do have it muted so that you can hear me and not the instructor, who in this case is Cal Patch. I'm going to scroll down a little bit. I want to point out to you how this works. There's a toolbar here, and this will navigate you through the system. The first one is description. In this class, it says it's a beginner. It lasts 1 hour. Now, the 1 hour is the total of the videos or chapters. So I'm going to click on this one, the next icon, which says chapters. And actually, in this 1 hour, there are 5 different classes. So you're welcome to watch them straight through, or you can pick and choose which ones you want, or you can go back to them later. Okay, and then there are materials. It'll tell you what materials are needed for this project. Gallery, of course is pictures. You can have discussions with others who've participated. This is a good feature. It's notes. All you have to do is, it should pop up there for me. Just type something in. Make yourself a mental note so the next time when you go back in, you'll remember it. And watch list. If you really like something, click on this and add it to your watch list. And then there's a transcript, which is the written transcript of every class. There you have it. That's just a quick introduction to Creativebug. It's a great resource, free, provided by the library. So I want you to get in there and explore it and have fun. This database will help you learn new skills or maybe polish the old ones you have. But it's free, brought to you by Clarkston Independence District Library. Thanks.